Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and edit the header in the Hostinger website builder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Hostinger website if you have not already. So you can go to hostinger.com, and from here at the top of the screen we can open up the services menu and open up the AI website builder. So once you open it up, it's going to enable you to either go ahead and sign up for a plan if you do not already have one, or if you have one, just log in and it's going to take you to this H panel right here. From where at the left side of the screen we can get started accessing the website section. So here I may have my website I have already created. I'm going to click edit and it's going to open it up right here in editor mode, from where we can get started managing our website and editing it however you like. And this is going to open up your home page. So at the left side of the screen you can open up the page that you want to edit. Let's say I want to edit this one and I want to edit the header for this one. So I'm going to put my mouse right here over the header of my page and it's going to enable me to select it. As you can see, I can click on the header right here, and now this menu under the header is going to change, and now I can click the edit header button. Once you click edit header, it's going to go ahead and open up this new menu from where I can get started selecting my layout and so on, elements, logo. I can get started editing whatever I want. Once you're satisfied, just click X to exit out and it's going to automatically apply the changes, and that's how you do so. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care and bye.